Hello, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Fitness Plus on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this only works if you have an Apple Watch. You also need to have a subscription, which costs $10 a month or $80 per year. Okay, now let's get started. So first, you're just going to open the Fitness app. It's going to bring you to your fitness page like normal, and you're going to be like, what's that in the middle? With the Fitness Plus, so you're going to press that. And then after you press that, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. Okay? And then it'll have your saved workouts at the bottom, simple and quick, all the trainers that you can possibly use, and there are a lot of trainers. And they also update this every single week, so you're never going to want to run out of workouts. So there are a ton of different sections that you can use: HIIT, yoga, core, strength, treadmill, cycling, rowing, dance, and mindful cool down. Now, I actually like to use mindful cool down even if I didn't do a workout because it's so relaxing. So I'm going to do a mindful cool down. These are shorter. I think they're 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so they're all 5 to 10 minutes. So all you have to do is start one. I'm going to do mindful cool down with Dustin. You can preview it or press let's go. If you press let's go, it's going to bring you to this, and it's going to have workout with watch. So if you don't, you have to update to iOS 14.2. Not 14.2, 7.2 on your Apple Watch. You can do that by going to settings, software update, and download and install update. You can also do this from your iPhone in that watch app. So now that you've done that, a mindful cool down, what about a workout? So I like to do HIIT a lot. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to have all these amazing workouts. The system that they use is so amazing and intuitive. So you just have to click on anything. HIIT with Bakari for 30 minutes. My personal favorite is actually Bakari. That's my favorite trainer. I also really like Kim. They also make a really good playlist. So if you didn't know, they actually make these playlists themselves. They take the time to do this by themselves and choose the music. So you can press let's go or preview it. This is a really cool preview because it tells you what you're going to be doing. So the Wi-Fi here is really slow, sorry. So it just basically shows you what you're going to be doing. And
so even though we're moving
here it is.
A little bit slower here, I want you to focus on calming your breath still. What is up? It's Bakari. Come to this 30-minute HIIT workout with a set of...
Okay, and yeah, there are just a ton of different workouts that you can be doing, and they're updated every week, like I said, so get out there and use Fitness Plus today. Now that you've learned how to use Fitness Plus, you're going to want to know how to start a workout. So I just have to put in my watch password, and then we're in. So you're going to press the digital crown, which is the crown on the side, okay, and then there's a workout icon. Press that, and it'll have all your workouts. It's usually the most recent up front. And then you have all the workouts that you can do. And to start one, you just click on it, and it'll give you a 3-second countdown. But to skip that, just press on it. And it'll start. You have all these metrics, your calories, your active calories, your time, and your heart rate. Here is just the normal screen. You can pause it. You can put it in water lock. And then to take out of water lock, you just twist it. It'll make that sound to eject any water. And finally, take this, click on it, and press the X. And normally it'll give you a little summary of how the workout went. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.